You asshole.
Run to do whatever they want, especially in places like Portland. In fact, there's another video that I can't even play because it's one cuss word after another. You wouldn't be able to hear anything. There's another video out of Portland of Antifa, militants out in the street with guns, stopping traffic. And a guy gets out of his car and he pulls his own gun to defend himself because he's got these whack jobs pointing guns at him, and they mob him and assault him and take him down. And this is being filmed. No police officer in sight. They're able to do this. In Portland.
I was too close or you were too close?
You close by me, I didn't see.
Okay.
Yeah.
How can we solve this now?
But you should have just wait behind me because it's not like I wanted to.
But we should always remember that the fraudulence,
Kisses on her forehead, on her eyes, on her cheeks, her nose, the corners of her mouth, her chin, he kissed her ears, her eyes again, another chain kisses along her neck, and when at last he turned to her mouth, he kissed her more deeply on the hard muscles of his back. Nothing had ever felt better to her than he felt at that moment. As if drifting in a dream, they left the den and went into the bedroom. He switched on a small lamp that stood upon the dresser.
Shut up. You gotta go that way.
There's an officer right there. We just passed him. We're turning on to 55. I see him getting on in a red and a black and white. Yes, get around this truck. They're trying to run. There he comes. And they're trying to get around this truck. They're trying to run.
You think they're trying to run?
Well, they were trying to get around the truck to get away, evidently. They gotta know I'm following them. I've been after him for a while. I'm gonna stay in my car until he comes and gets me.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Alright, you're pulled over with them now?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, thank you for calling, okay?
Thank you.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So here I was on the 15 South, coming back to Southern California from Las Vegas. Now, I have a feeling this guy thought I was following too closely, which I was not, so he decides to not let me pass for his revenge. By the way, before this video started, this went on for about 10 minutes. I just didn't want to bore you. Now, here you're going to see a California Highway Patrol unit rudely cut me off. Now, at this point, he's not interested in pulling over that car. He just wants to get by and go past that driver. Now at this point, that driver in front of me has no idea that it's a highway patrol officer behind him. And by the way, that cop is just a few feet away from that guy's back bumper. And at about 70 miles an hour, I don't think that's a very safe thing to do. Well, there you see the highway patrol officer shined his spotlight to let that driver know to get out of the way. At this time, the highway patrol officer has no intention of pulling him over. And you see those orange lights, those are brake lights. And then bam. The highway patrol officer couldn't take it anymore. He got brake checked one too many times. And you can assume that every time you saw the highway patrol officer flash their brakes, he was probably being brake checked. There you go. That's karma for you. Thanks for watching.
Where trouble disappears, say you'll always be right
Morning. Officer Automatic, please sketch your license, registration, and insurance.
Yep. Oh, insurance. I have to get that on my phone.
Everything okay this morning?
Yeah, just chilling.
All right, well, between Campbell and Country Club, you were doing 55, the speed limit's 40.
Well,
And between Country Club and here, you were doing under speed limit, like 30, 35, and you kept driving up against the lane divider. So.
I'm pretty sure that was not me, because I was going 35. I know the car that passed me going that way was going 55, because I had my cruise control set for 42.
No, I looked right at your vehicle, and then used my laser gun and squeezed the trigger.
It was that. There was no way it was me, because I was going 42.
All right, well, I looked at this vehicle. I could see both of you in it as you went through the intersection of Campbell and Fort Lowell, but all right.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that it had to have been that other vehicle.
I don't know anybody that sets their vehicle at 42, but that's fine too. You would still be setting it at speeding at that point, so the speed limit's 35 at night and 40 during the day. So if you admit to a police officer that you're actually doing something, maybe you want to admit that you're doing something right.
Well, I usually go 40 on this anyway.
Better idea. instead of digging yourself a deeper hole by lying to a police officer, how about you just give me your license registration? Never said you're getting a ticket. I just stopped to talk to you about your bad driving this morning. How about the fact that you hit the lane divider a couple of different times back there?
That was not me. I did not hit any lane divider.
All right, I'll give you time to find me insurance.
All right, you. I don't play this bullshit.